Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. Have a really different fabric bundle today. Somebody requested one with colors, all different colors, and no neutrals. So that's what we have. So let's look at this. This is like a mint green. Mint green, large piece, mint green. We have the pink homespunny look. Have a beautiful dark green brocade. We have this, it's like almost like a nylon or something, but I love the colors in it. It's kind of Chinese looking to me. This is pink also. It's like a lining fabric. This is, what is that? Bluish green. I've had this fabric for a long time. I had yards and yards and yards of it. This is the shiny red. It's stretchy. Keep it to the middle. This is this beautiful pink. You can use either side. This is a sagey kind of green. Again, you can use either side. A pink cotton. Okay, these are some of my favorites in this whole bundle. Okay, you get this, which you could use either side, but look when you layer this shiny on it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't even. We have a red velour. Have a pink, like it's brocade, but it's kind of subtle, but kind of not. A pretty big piece of that. Then a blue brocade. I love brocades. I would wear them all the time if I could. Well, I would alternate days with, you'll see, this is purple silk. So I would wear brocade one day, and I would wear luscious velvet the next day. If I could afford it, I should have looked on eBay, shouldn't I? So this is velvet yardage. It's a pretty big piece. It is not stretch. It is a true velvet. Put it this way. Satin. We have a type of ultra suede. I guess I should go ahead and cut this serged seam off. My friend Ron's in there singing on Reverb Nation. I don't know if it's picking it up or not. Interesting to see what YouTube does with that. This is a dark teal. We have another interesting velvet with shiny purple in it. I should have been counting these. I think there's 30. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. Blue paisley. And nesting purple cotton. Don't be afraid to mix your fabrics, people. The more interest you have, or the more different stuff you have, the more interesting your quilt will be. Beautiful purple brocade-ish, a thinner brocade. Red lame. Be careful with that. Don't hit it too long with your iron. I love this. This is new for me. I got it at the Idea store. Absolutely love. You could use either side. Purple. And bringing up the rear is some burgundies. Again, this is like the green that I had at the beginning. I love it. And burgundy polyester. Okay, there you have it, 20 bucks. Free shipping. Okay, got them all cut. I think there are 30 pieces. Sometimes I counted 31, usually I counted 30. So I have 5 available because this one's already sold. So 5 bundles. My email will be at the end of this video, or you can hit me up on Facebook, which is in the description box. And I thank you very much. I thank you very kindly. What was that from? We think. Oh, Wizard of Oz. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Bye.